What's going on, guys? So a friend of mine just bought a new car, and she offered for me to come over and film it when it's being offloaded off the trailer. So we're headed to do that right now. No, don't fall over. So, yeah, I guess I'll pick up when we arrive at her house. Are you excited?
I am really excited.
Okay, so tell us the whole story about, like, the whole... I haven't told anybody what it is yet.
Okay.
So, by the way, this is Michelle. Her Mustang. They got an F-150. They got a Z that's more broken than running half the time. We'll go over that in some other point. So, I don't know. Should we tell them exactly what it is, or should we just wait?
I kind of wanted to wait.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Alright, well. So I guess, without saying what it is, you want to explain a little bit about, like...
why we're getting it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so my husband and I, we're both very into cars. If you can't tell, we bought this house just for the garages, pretty much.
Even though there's, like, a ridiculous driveway to get up, but...
yeah, it's worth it. So, I mean, we met, like, 10 years ago at the Orlando Speed World track, and then we've just put together ever since. Our personalities meshed really well. And this car that we're getting today is actually, both of us had posters of it up on our walls when we were growing up. And we built like little models, you know, little models you can get from the store. So we happened to both build the same exact model and both have the same exact poster on our wall growing up. So, you know, we're not having kids, the cars are our kids. So we got to the point where we could finally add another car to the stable and get our dream car. So that's what's arriving today. It came all the way from Texas, so it was quite an ordeal to get it here.
So how did you find this?
So this, like, I don't know if you have it on your Facebook, but it's this little thing called Car Gurus, and it shows you like the best deals in the country, and popped up on it, and oh crap, I was supposed to say it. Oh well.
We'll bleep it out.
Yeah. So it popped up on it, and it was the perfect color scheme. It's actually the interior of it, I didn't even know they did in this color scheme. It's like a limited edition one. So it was just the perfect match, and then they dropped the price about $5 grand, and we pulled the trigger on it. So
cool. So we're just waiting for the truck to get here. That's all. Because it was supposed to be here 2 hours ago?
Yeah, 2 hours ago. Now it's supposed to be here in like the next 15 minutes.
So yeah, we'll just kind of hang out and wait for it to show up.
Yep.
So this is Nathan. Yep, we're still waiting for it to come. Hopefully it'll be here soon.
There it is.
Oh my god.
Hide under this F-150. So you guys like it?
Yeah.
Love it. Being American muscle, it's as good as it gets.
We've coated everything in blankets and towels and whatever the other crap that we can find, so see if we can get it up and over this time. He's gonna shoot one of those blankets out, but it'll probably make it. Yep, there it goes. Well, how does it feel to have your guys' dream car?
Feels amazing.
This is the lifelong childhood dream come true. This is that poster car that's been on the wall since I was a kid. We made it happen.
Yeah.
At 31.
Hard work can get you.
spotless. Alright, so I don't think we actually told everybody what year it is.
2008.
Okay. And you guys found this where?
A month ago, saw it online. It was the only blue with white stripe 08. We admired it first, but said it was out of our price range, and started looking at some 06s. And kept eyeing it off, saw that it was still available. And then we started running the numbers to see if it really was affordable or not. So, here it is.
Tell me about that guy where I used to live.
Oh, it's the guy in West Palm, the true dick. So he has an 06 that he's asking more than it's worth. Yeah, it's a limited production run, but it's an 06. It had under 10,000 miles, but we made him an offer, and he kind of laughed at us and said, "This is not for you." So I look forward to driving this one down there.
Yeah, it's like 10 minutes from where my dad lives, so we'll
Doing a burnout right in front of his house.
Yeah. Like, yeah,
And guess what?
Same price.
Since we bought this, he's relisted his on eBay about 3 times, and guess what? It's still for sale.
Oh, it's finally happened.
Yep. It has.
Can we ride in this moment? Can we ride? Nothing's stopping us
Alright guys, just made it back. Congrats to Michelle and Nathan for their new Viper. I know that was both of their dream cars for a very long time, pretty much since they were kids. So yeah, at some point I think we're going to do a video on it. Let me know what you guys want to see. We might do a review, we might do something crazy, I don't know. So, and maybe I can talk them into autocrossing it at some point, who knows. They're still in that like new stage where it's like, oh my god, I just got a Viper and like, it's crazy. It's because it's their dream car. So all right, well, that wraps it up for me. At some point, yeah, we'll do another video, but hopefully you guys like that. Hit the like button if that was an enjoyable video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. We're almost to 1,000 subs. I don't know, we might be by the time this video comes out, but we're pretty close as I'm filming this. Also hit the notification bell so you can get notified when new videos come out, and drop a comment and tell us what you think we should do with the car, what types of videos you guys want to see. Maybe I was talking to them, maybe doing a half-mile event or something. I don't know, it's their car, so whatever they want to do. But yeah, congrats to them, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.